How to use ChatGPT for SEO in 2026. What if I told you there's a free AI tool that can do your SEO keyword research, write your meta descriptions, generate your blog outlines, and find content gaps in your competitors' pages, all in under 10 minutes? That tool is ChatGPT, and in 2026, the SEO creators using it are outranking everyone who isn't. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for SEO the right way. Let's go. ChatGPT doesn't replace SEO, it makes SEO faster. Most people waste hours doing keyword research, title tags, content outlines, and meta descriptions. ChatGPT can cut that time massively. But here's the mistake. People ask ChatGPT to write a full SEO article and publish it without editing. That's why most AI content fails. The smart move? Use ChatGPT as your SEO assistant. Let AI handle the boring work, you add the expertise. That's how you rank faster in 2026. Keyword research with ChatGPT is ridiculously fast. Open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me low competition local SEO keywords for small businesses in the USA." In seconds, you'll get keyword ideas that normally take hours to find. Then verify them in Google Keyword Planner for real search volume. ChatGPT finds the ideas. Google confirms the data. That simple combo can save you 3 to 4 hours every week. Content outlines and title tags with ChatGPT are insanely fast. Ask ChatGPT, "Create an SEO blog outline for local SEO for a small restaurant in the USA with an H1, 5 H2s, and H3 points." In seconds, you get a full structure that normally takes 45 minutes. For title tags, ask, "Write 5 YouTube titles for free keyword research tools under 70 characters with curiosity." Test the best title and upload. Meta descriptions and FAQ sections. Meta descriptions are the short text under your page title in Google search results. They don't directly affect rankings, but they massively affect click-through rate. Ask ChatGPT, "Write a meta description for a blog post about free SEO tools for beginners." It should be under 155 characters, include the keyword free SEO tools, and give a strong reason to click. Done in 10 seconds. For FAQ sections, which are gold for ranking in Google's People Also Ask boxes, ask, "Generate 8 frequently asked questions about on-page SEO that a beginner in the USA would search for." These FAQs go at the bottom of every blog post and help you rank for multiple questions at once. Competitor content gap analysis. Go to your top competitor's article, copy the text, paste it into ChatGPT and say, "Analyze this content and tell me what important subtopics, questions, or points are missing that a reader would want to know. Then suggest how I can make a more comprehensive version." ChatGPT will show you exactly what your competitor missed, and that's your angle. You write a better, deeper version that covers everything they missed. This is how smaller channels consistently outrank bigger ones. Not by copying, by finding the gaps and filling them better than anyone else. Here's your ChatGPT SEO system in 60 seconds. Use it for keyword research, then verify in Google Keyword Planner. Use it to build content outlines and title tags in seconds. Use it to write meta descriptions and FAQ sections. And use it to find content gaps your competitors missed. ChatGPT doesn't rank your website. Your strategy does. But ChatGPT makes that strategy 10 times faster. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. Every single week on Rank Flip I give you free SEO strategies built specifically for the USA market. See you in the next one. Subscribe to Rank Flip SEO and press the bell icon for more SEO ranking tips.